If you have ever tried starting a dropshipping business, you know exactly how painful the research phase is. You spend your entire weekend jumping between supplier directories, guessing which products will sell, and manually copying and pasting descriptions into Shopify. But what if I told you that what used to take an entire weekend of manual labor can now take just a few minutes? Welcome to the future of e-commerce. Today, I am showing you a brand new AI agent that literally does the heavy lifting for you. It's called Doba Pilot. Doba Pilot is an end-to-end AI dropshipping agent. By the end of this 10-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI can find trending products, analyze the market, write your listings, and even manage your customer support, all from a single chat box. Plus, I have an insane exclusive offer for new users to get 30 free pilot credits just for registering. So stick around for that. Let's dive into this screen recording. Before we jump into the AI magic, if you're new to the space, you might be asking, what is Doba? Doba is an American-based B2B dropshipping platform that was actually founded way back in 2002. They are headquartered in Utah and are one of the true OGs in the dropshipping space. Unlike sketchy suppliers that take weeks to ship, Doba gives you access to a reliable supply chain. They have over 1 million products available from top quality wholesale suppliers. Plus, many of Doba's suppliers ship directly from the United States, which allows for faster delivery times, usually between 2 to 5 days. And now they've attached a super powered AI brain to all of this data. Alright, here we are inside Doba Pilot. As you can see, the interface is super clean and minimal. It's all based around multi-turn conversations. Instead of clicking through 20 different menus to build a store, you literally just talk to the AI. Let's test out its Market Scout feature. Market Scout combines industry trends with professional Amazon data analysis and Google Trends insights to evaluate demand and competition. Let's type a prompt. I'll ask it, analyze current trends for outdoor gear and give me low competition opportunities. Look at that. It's instantly pulling data to assess market demand and competitive conditions right here in the chat. With Doba Pilot's AI picker, you can skip the endless scrolling. I'm going to give it a highly specific command. Let's type find 10 trending items shipped from the US within 3 days. Boom. Instantly, the AI combs through Doba's massive catalog of over 1 million products and hands us a curated list. Because we are using conversational AI, it understands exactly what I want. We can even batch select these products directly in the chat or click view details to see the high quality photos and specs without ever leaving the conversation. Okay, we have our winning products. Now we need a store. If you don't have one yet, Doba Pilot acts as the architect. You can just type help me build a Shopify store and the AI will actually guide you to themes, banners, account setup, and store configuration. Once your store is connected, whether it's Shopify, BigCommerce, eBay, or Wix, it's time to list. Normally, you'd have to write out SEO titles and figure out your pricing manually. Not anymore. Watch this. I'm going to tell the AI, take these products and prepare them for Shopify. Complete missing attributes and publish them. Doba Pilot features an incredible smart pricing tool that automatically applies a default 1.2x profit rule, which you can customize just by asking. Ready to explore Doba Pilot? You can now get started with a 7-day Doba Basic trial for just $0.99. Your trial includes 3 pilot credits, giving you the opportunity to explore Doba Pilot's features and see how it can simplify your product research and dropshipping workflow. Once your trial period is complete, you can continue with Doba Basic and take advantage of 50% off your first month, bringing the price to just $1.99. This gives you an affordable way to test the platform, explore its tools, and decide how Doba Pilot fits into your business before committing to a longer-term plan. So, if you're ready to discover what Doba Pilot can do for your dropshipping business, start your 7-day trial for just 99 cents and begin exploring today. Check the links in the description below to claim your credits and start building your automated empire today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.